rock! Back in 1776, Old Bets, which was a gun that probably Davy Crockett used. And one thing about these guns is they had to put the powder in, put the ball in, they cocked it back, they put their flint, single flint, and then they would, oh my gosh, holy cow! And they would fire one shot, and then, so one line would then move up, and the other guys would come in the back, and they would put the rod in, put the ball in, and they got it down to where 10 seconds. And then these guys would move forward, oh, and then they'd go like this. And these are made by Parris Manufacturing, and these are all metal and wood. And this is Old Bets. This is a replica of your basically your hunting rifle from Kentucky, okay? And it's great shot. Get a single shot, and it really fires too. Check that out. I mean, this is a must for Christmas. Well, it's a must for all day, all summer long. Forward, march! Go! 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 Fire! Quick, reload! They're coming! They're gonna attack! Hurry up! Load! 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 They're gonna advance! Oh no! We're all gonna die! Hurry up! Oh, cow!
Are you kidding me?
And this is Old Bets, but this is another wooden gun. We have so many wooden guns, but this is the first one I'm going to show you, which is the Old Bets. And we have the largest selection of guns you can possibly get, which are the best ones. I try to show off the the best guns, okay? And that's the key, is the best guns. And these are made by Parris Manufacturing at ProTinkerToys.com. ProTinkerToys.com. Over, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell button, and you have a great day.